Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making my version of the chai tea latte, the ice. It's going to be super easy. I'll list everything that I use in the description box below. I personally drink iced chai tea lattes instead of coffee because it is kind of healthier. I'm currently on a Corona diet right now. So if you're interested in this video, let's get into it. So this will literally take probably 60 seconds. All you need is a cup of ice, some vanilla syrup, the tea, and then the almond milk. So just shake it up. I'm gonna put it in here and then pour it in the ice. It depends on how much you like the tea. I only like a little bit, so just put a little bit. Add your almond milk. Swirl it around, put it on the ice. Add your vanilla. Stir it. Yeah, it's good. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video and watching me achieve my chai tea latte. It was pretty good. I hope you liked it as well. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and also please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me make anything else. Thanks for tuning in.